Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. This is a great beginner song. If you're having trouble with bar chords, you can play this song and not even have to make an entire bar chord. You can use 3 fingers to make your chords, okay? And if you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free. It helps us out a lot. Leave us a message and tell us where you're from, and we'll put a pin for you on the map over here, okay? So let's get started with the lesson. So to begin with, this song is going to be in standard tuning. Easy enough. And when he was recording this, from what I understand, what I've read is he had a pedal that made his guitar sound like a bass because they didn't have a bass player. So it won't sound perfect, but you can follow the notes, follow along with the notes, and I'll just show you how he plays it, okay? So let's get started with the lesson. So the main riff of this song is going to be this. And that's the part that he's using the bass pedal for. That's going to be the 7th fret, the 10th fret, 5, 3, and 2 on the A string. And that's throughout the song. Okay, so it goes 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2, 7, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. When you play this, the bass part anyway, it's important to mute all these strings down here. I've got my right picking hand down here, muting strings. Then I kind of lay my fingers across the E string to help mute it up here with my fretting hand too. And from there, it's going to, his guitar becomes a guitar again. And he plays this chord. That's a simple G chord. You can make it a bar chord by barring across the 3rd fret here. Or you can make it with 3 fingers. You can do the 3rd fret of the E, 5th fret of the A string, and then the 5th fret of the D string. Then slide it up 2 frets to the 5th fret and make it an A chord. And then you go back to the 7, except now you're going to do it with a chord. And the way I do that, and I think it's the way that Jack White did too, is he's just using his 3 fingers again, so it's not really a bar chord. So you put your finger back on the A string on the 7th fret, and then your 3rd and 4th fingers go down here on the 9th fret of the D and the G. You go 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2, just like the bass progression. And then the second time around, you go 7, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5. And when you get to the 3rd fret, you slide back up to the 5th, back down to the 3rd, and then to 2. So I'll do it for you. It goes. G chord, A chord, it goes back into the bass part again. And that is basically that song. It's an easy learn, and if you're a beginner and you're struggling with bar chords, this is a great one because you can kind of fake the bar chords just by using 3 fingers and playing the song all the way through. And I encourage you to play along with the song beginning to end to a recording of the original artist. It always makes you a better player when you can play songs from beginning to end. So I hope you like this video, and I hope it helps you out. If it does, please like and subscribe to our channel. Like I said, it's entirely free, and it helps us out a lot. So thank you, and have a great day.